Hello and welcome to the Jekyllhydeclub.
Today we're showing little yakkers while we're Halloween shopping in Mart. These are so cute, they talk. They're kind of like Beanie Boos, but they talk and they have 5 phrases. The first one we're going to show is the witch. Her hat is reminiscent to candy corn, kind of. Let's see. Let's see if she was talking earlier. There she goes. Bubble bubbles, toil and trouble. And her next phrase.
Come here, dearie. I won't hurt you.
I don't trust her. She says she won't hurt us, but I think she will.
Would you stop bugging me? Or would you like to be a fraud?
They don't get overly loud, so I'm hoping they pick up.
You're just what I needed for my stew.
I like that one. The "you're just what I needed for my stew" is my favorite phrase. If her boots were just a little more pointed, I would get her. But, like, it's just she's missing a little something. Next, we have the ghost. I'm trying to get her back on the shelf. No, I need him. Okay, he's so cute. He almost reminds us of our Bella the Ghosty.
Trick or treat. I'm a ghost. A little ghost.
Sorry about the background. We are not at home.
Scared you, didn't I?
Not really. But you're so cute, I might take you home anyway.
I'm the ghost with the most, baby. Wait, can you actually see me?
Yeah. And I have vision issues, so that says something. And
Oh, such a beautiful cat.
and he's got a little tail in behind. Can that show, Gomez?
Yeah.
And not mess up the box. And let's see what he wants to talk about. Got a little cute chest to design there. And aw,
I'm your lucky charm.
I like that. He's convincing me.
You can't believe everything you hear. Just don't rub me the wrong way.
Don't rub me the wrong way. Well, you don't have any claws. I don't know what you're gonna do about it.
Make sure I don't cross your path. Bad luck and all. I get a little cat scratch fever this time of year.
These are sign.
I think I've got a sound somewhere. I'm a little monster. Want to match with me?
They're kind of like not as loud, and
Hey, aren't I the cutest monster you've ever seen?
they're not as easy to understand, and they're $8 a piece.
I'm your free man. Yeah. Turn me on. Oh yeah.
And you would think for the price they would be a little bit easier to understand. They're around the size of Beanie Boos, I would think. So that's what they are, you guys, if you have not seen them. Thanks for watching. If you're new, do subscribe and check out our other spooky videos.